welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing a simple daytime glam makeup tutorial for you guys, and I'm super excited. So I am going to show you all how to get a very simple, yet subtle, yet daytime appropriate glam look, because sometimes full glam makeup can just look a little extreme in the daytime. But you know what? If you like doing extreme glam in the daytime, that is perfectly fine. I sometimes do too. But I do know sometimes people want to know how to look glam and not look too overdone in the daytime. So I am going to show you guys how to get this look. I feel like this is very daytime glam appropriate. So let's just go ahead and get right into the tutorial. But really quickly, I know you guys have noticed a change of scenery, so I'm actually at my grandparents' house currently this weekend, and I brought some makeup with me, and I just thought that I would film while I was here, because why not? So, for real though, let's go ahead and get right into this tutorial. Alrighty, so you guys know the drill. Y'all already know that I did one night off camera, and I did my foundation and my brows and all that jazz. So we are just going to hop right on into this makeup tutorial. So the very first shadow that we are going to use is this shadow right here from Beauty Concepts, and this shadow is just going to be our transition shade into our crease. And to apply that, I'm going to use this pink brush from Amazon. From my Rio de Janeiro eyeshadow quad from e.l.f., I am going to apply that top shade right there, which is kind of like a shimmer light champagne. And to apply it, I'm going to use the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. From my e.l.f. Golden Goddess eyeshadow quad, I am going to be taking the second shade in here, which is kind of like a soft golden color, and I'm going to put that into my crease. That very, very light, shimmery, champagne-ish toned color, I don't really know how to describe it. It just kind of looks like a champagne to me. I'm going to put that into the inner half of my lid from here to like here. And then on this part, I'm going to put that dark copper shadow right there using a crease brush. To curl up my lashes, and I'm going to put on some mascara. The mascara that I'm using today is just the same one that I literally use in all my tutorials, and I'm so sorry. It's just the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, so I am going to go do that right now. So now I'm going to use my Ulta bronzer from my Ulta Cheek palette. I swear I use this bronzer as well in every single one of my tutorials, but I'm really just trying to use it up. But I am going to be applying that with an e.l.f. angled blush brush, and I'm just going to apply that to the hollows of my cheeks and into my hairline. use that soft pink blush right there from this e.l.f. Total Face palette. And I'm also going to use the highlighter in this palette as well. Last but certainly not least is lips. And for lips, I'm going to be using this Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Blush. And this is just a matte, nudie mauve pink color. So this is perfect for the daytime because it's not, like, really bright and it's not really, like, out there. I mean, if you want to wear a bright lipstick in the daytime, you totally can. I do all the time. But, I mean, that's not really what we're going for today. We're just kind of going for, like, a very suitable daytime glam makeup look. So, this is perfect for that. Alright everyone, so that is it for this daytime glam makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this, and I will see you all in my next video very, very soon. Bye guys, thanks for watching.